Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and leave a comment down below. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. And in today's video, I will be making a Polish kind of soup with a little bit of twist. I'm making a Polish soup with kiełbasa, which is a kind of sausage. So to start off making this soup, I have some cherry tomatoes, some onion, some pepper, hot pepper, and I have green and red sweet pepper. So I'm just letting them to saute in my pan a little bit. I didn't put too much oil, so I'm constantly turning them so that they're not sticking in the pan. So this is what my vegetable is looking like so far. So now I will add in my bouillon. Here I have 2 bouillon that I dissolve in hot water. It's one is vegetable and one it's beef. Give this a mix. Okay. And now I will add 2 cubes of minced garlic. Guys, the smell is amazing. Okay, I'll add in a little bit of ginger paste. Mix. Okay, and we'll go in with some potatoes. Mix in my potatoes. And this is the perfect time for soup because because guys, outside so much cold. So I'll pour in some water. Season of pot. I'll go in with some mixed herbs. Give that a mix. I'll add some thyme. I'll just a little bit of black pepper. I'll add some Maggi. Give it a mix. And I'll give it a taste. Salt. Okay, I'll leave this for the potato to cook. And then we'll add our kiełbasa. So I've got a little bit of turmeric. Okay. So now I'll add in my kiełbasa. They're diced very small like this. So I'll add them in because the potato it's not done but almost. So I can now add in my kiełbasa. Okay, so our soup is done. this is the texture of the soup. Looking rich.